Hey, how's it going, SEO enthusiasts out there? My name's Yerain, and in this video I just wanted to talk a little bit about keyword cannibalization and whether it's even relevant in 2021 and moving forward. So the reason I wanted to talk a little bit about this is because I've noticed increasingly that Google has been taking related search queries and kind of lumping them together in the SERP. So if you notice, if you search for like best smartwatches for golfers, you might also see from the same publisher, from the same website, best smartwatches for delivery truck drivers or something like that. The point is that they're similar. They clearly have different search intents, but they're lumped up, right? I've seen this in use for things that are very, very closely related, like best cocktails for Halloween, and then it'll be like top 10 Halloween cocktails. You would think that that would be like clear keyword cannibalization. You don't want to do that. But SEO changes, and it seems to me that Google is somehow rewarding you for having very similar content by making it so that you're taking up more of the SERP. If your search query is if you have multiple articles or posts that are very closely related to that search query. Could this be the case? I can't say definitively because it's so hard to say, hey, you shouldn't be writing similar content. You should write completely different content and continue to update your articles. But I don't know. I think there's a case to be had where you should be writing pretty similar content because the whole point of writing different content is because Google was not going to reward. It wasn't going to give the number one position to the number 1 and 2 positions to the same website. Very true. It won't. But now it's lumping up these kind of queries under one umbrella. Like you know, I'll put up an example in the page right here on the on the video. So I don't know. What do you think? Is keyword cannibalization still relevant in 2021 and moving forward? Real honest question. Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you think because I want to do a little bit more research and just have a discussion on the comments. So with that out of the way, or with that over, if you enjoyed this video at all, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button so other people can see this content and you can hear me rant about other SEO topics in the future. So thanks a lot and take care.